What is up, guys? If you are not able to send a message for 3 days, this is unfair. Honestly, I don't know why Instagram they are doing this recently, and I just received the same message yesterday. I'm not able to send any message to anyone. Whenever I click on the message I receive at the bottom, I say you can send a message for 3 days, which is really unfair. I didn't send anything dangerous or anything, just like a normal conversation with anyone. Now probably this happened because I have sent them a picture, like a coded picture. I didn't know this will happen, but it happened. So I didn't want to wait 3 days, and I just searched on YouTube for a solution for this. And a lot of people say that you have to go to App Store or Play Store and update the app or uninstall the app, which doesn't work. I tried it multiple times. I reinstalled the app, but doesn't work. What worked for me, guys, I just opened Instagram, and then I clicked the profile picture at the very bottom, and then click three little lines in the top right of your profile, and then click settings in the top. Now after that, guys, you want to click on help, as you can see. So just be patient, guys, and follow the steps exactly. You will be able to send messages before 3 days, like a few hours from now. Now when I click, guys, report a problem in the top. After that, guys, you want to click on report a problem without shaking. Now here is what you want to do. You want to click on don't include and continue at the very bottom. Now the reason, guys, why I told you to take a screenshot of that message, just take a screenshot. You can send messages for 3 days, something you sent in a chat like against our community guidelines, and you will send take a screenshot of that message, okay, and upload it here. I don't have that message anymore, so I'm just going to upload this. You can send a message right now. Now I'm gonna just explain to Instagram how this is unfair. Say something like, hi Instagram, I'm not able to send messages for 3 days for no reason. I didn't do anything wrong. I have read the community guidelines. I didn't send anything wrong to anyone. Okay, now you want to click send in the top right of your profile. I can't do it again because I already did it yesterday. So just click send in the top right, and you will be able to fix this problem within a few hours from now. Sometimes it will take 24 hours. That's what my friends told me. So be patient and come back to this video, guys, within 24 hours, and let me know in the comments if this worked. Before we go, guys, leave a like on this video and let me know what phone you have. In the comments, I reply to every single comment with a solution so that you can solve this problem, guys. See you guys in the